Okay, peace and love, everybody. Let's jump right into the 15 Pro Max natural titanium. And I was really excited to get this phone. I've been waiting all day to get it, and I just want to make a quick video about how a regular person is going to shoot video with the iPhone 15 Pro Max in natural titanium. And damn, that's beautiful. I was going to get the titanium black, but I was like, nah, always get the black phones. My 14 Plus was a white phone, so I was like, let's just get this natural titanium. It's one of the best colors. I love the weight of this phone, and it's just amazing. You guys get to witness my first power up of this phone, which is really special to me. I was really anxious to get through all like the greetings and stuff, and you know you got to transfer your phone. There's that USB-C. Hold on, let me switch to like a background to really make this phone pop. There we go. There we go. Look how sexy this phone is. It's so smooth. Dynamic Island is going to be a new thing for me. And my phone did get stuck on this updating screen. I got really scared, so I just hard shut down. Everything was all good. I set that new action button to the camera because that's what I use mostly. And let's go out into the field and see how this looks. And again, guys, I'm going to keep all the zooms and focal lengths on the screen so you guys know what I'm doing. Make sure you don't try this at home. And let's see what we got. Now, I'm not color grading. I'm not using any fancy transitions. I'm just shooting right out of the iPhone 15 Pro Max camera like anybody else would. Like this is for the normal people, not for the advanced photographers or videographers. This is someone that's going to pull the phone out of the pocket. They're going to hit the record button. They're just going to film something. And it's really important to test this stuff because I always push the phone to the max, no pun intended, to see if things like the digital zoom, which I'm already seeing a lot of, gets any better as the iPhones progress. And the wide camera, the ultra wide camera, the 0.5 right there, that's typically my favorite lens because you can, yikes, look at that times 15. It really gets grainy. They're still not there yet. And I would never really use 10 digital zoom, 15 digital zoom. I would never use this. This is the length I would stick with. Like, pause. This is the one I'm going to stick with, is the ×1, and usually the 0.5, which is the ultra wide. I'll probably use the ×2 and ×5 in certain situations, but it's got to be a certain look that I'm going for to use those super zoomed in ×2, ×5 lengths. They're not bad, and they're probably helpful. Like, look at that. That's not bad. Not the cleanest, but it's just not bad. And one thing I noticed, this new 17 chip they're putting in the Maxes, it is very noticeable, at least coming from a 14 Plus is what I had. And I had a 13 Pro before that, 12 Pro before that, 11 Pro before that. And the things that I normally do on this iPhone, like in the iPhone world, this phone is handling it all. Like it's just, no matter what I throw at it, it's just crushing it. This phone it's really amazing. Now, I won't go as far to say that it's superseding like my camera. No, I won't go that far. It's not. Like my camera wouldn't look like this, and this is a really good shot. One thing I learned about walking around and filming, because I was just on some straight run and gun shit, but what I'd learned from filming with this phone, when you shoot static, which means not moving, the phone looks really, really good. Like look at these shots when I'm not moving around, and the 0.5 is going to lose a little bit of quality. The ×1 is always going to have the best quality on the entire phone. But see, when I start moving around, like things change, and I even set the camera to not change my white balance when I'm filming, because I really, really, really hate that when it goes from like warm to cold as far as the color temperature. Testing, mic check, 1 2 1 2. This is the front facing camera. I don't know what this audio sounds like. Video doesn't look bad, but hold on. Okay, audio wasn't bad, and the front-facing camera is getting better, and I really never use the front-facing camera unless I have to. I'm going for like a shot. I don't really care about the quality. I'll use it, and in that situation in the dark, it didn't really look that better from the 14s, but I'm going to do another video that shows like the daytime. I'll do another video, but this is the low light video. Like I ran out of light. But hold up real quick. What's my man talking about?
Lord, to the glory of the Father, full of grace and truth. All day long, he's faithful, has his hand stretched out. He says, come unto me, all you that labor and are heavy laden, and I will give you rest. Take my yoke and learn of me, for I am meek and lowly at heart. You shall find rest for your souls, for my yoke is easy, and my burden is light. You say, what is the gospel? That's a great question. Here it is, how Jesus Christ stretched his arms out on the cross. He bled, he suffered, he die. But why did he do that? He was innocent.
Okay, my man was talking about some heavy stuff there, and you know, I put him in that times 15 zoom, and it just didn't look. I don't know when I would ever use time 15 unless I'm trying to get like close to a bug. I don't want to get, you know. And again, look at these shots where I'm not moving the camera. This is probably the best shot of the entire video. It just looks so clean. It looks very natural. Look how the light's just kind of bouncing off of me. It just looks really, really, really good. Now, again, this is just a breakdown of the camera's zooms and standard modes. This is not like a technical breakdown. There's a million videos out there right now about how this phone does it internally and all the magic. That I don't care about that stuff. I want to make a video for people that are going to use this phone in everyday situations. And again, I'll make another video with some pictures and I'll do daylight, but it's very important to do low light because not a lot of people do the low light videos. Like I was looking for the iPhone 15 and the Pro Max videos of low light. I couldn't find not one. So hopefully this is the first one in the YouTube universe. But look at this. That is like, it just looks so good. And I'm not color grading. I'm not putting any fancy transitions. I'm not adjusting exposure. Like in post-production, I'm just leaving it right out of the camera. I didn't shoot ProRes. I'm not doing their log. Again, this is for the normal people because when I shoot my videos, which I usually make sneaker videos, check me out, I really don't get into the ProRes. All that stuff I have my main camera for, but it's nice to have this type of camera in your pocket at all times to get quality content. So in conclusion, do I feel that someone coming from like a 14 Pro needs to upgrade to the 15 Pro Max? And I would say if you create content and video quality is like something that you really, really put a lot of effort into, I would say yes. But if you're just someone that uses your phone like a normal person, you don't create content, you just take pictures. See, look at that right there. That just looks beautiful. See, these phones have come a long way. But if you're just a regular person, you just take pictures, you take the occasional video of your kids or some animal, I would not upgrade. But me being me, I upgrade phones every single year because I make content. And I bet if I didn't make content, I wouldn't upgrade the phone because these phones are hella expensive. This phone was like $1,200. I had to give up my 12 mini. I mean, I still got my 14 Plus, which I still use. It's got the leather case on it. They don't make the leather cases no more. But I gave up my 12 mini. That was the last of a dying breed phone. They don't make the minis no more. I mean, I wanted to get a 13 mini Pro, I think it is, but that thing was like $500. I was like, forget it. But they stopped the mini phones. They continue with the Plus phones. There is an iPhone 15 Plus, but I was like, nah, I'm not doing that again. I'm going for the best one. I feel like I deserve it. I put in a lot of work for this phone. I mean, again, it's just a phone, but it is like a portable camera. This phone almost costs more than my main camera. And I guarantee the iPhones are going to keep going up in price because they're getting better and better. And I haven't had a chance to test the entire phone out, but I want to just get like a real world, real time, straight up, plain Jane, average Joe review of the camera functions. And there you have it. I hope you enjoyed it. Make sure you follow me on Instagram and IG and all that stuff. I'll drop another video in a few more days once I get used to this phone and kind of learn all the intricacies of it. But peace, love, and light. Make sure you thumbs up the video. Make sure you hit the subscribe button. And I'm out. Peace.